In this video, we're going to be going over how to use the Instagram Collabs feature and exactly what it does. So this Instagram Collabs feature pretty much lets you be almost a co-creator on a post where it'll show on both people's feeds. And depending on the settings you set, you can see the analytics from both people's sides to know, hey, this post got this much content overall, instead of having to post the same piece of content separately. So it combines that post into one and will put it on both of your feeds. So what we need to do first off is go over to Instagram. So we're going to open the Instagram app here. And then from here, we're going to go like we're creating a normal post. So I'm going to click the little plus button in the top here. And I'm going to go over and click create a post. Now you can do this with Reels as well. So let's say I want to post this right here. I'm going to click next. And then from here, I'm going to click next again. And then when it comes to this stage right here, I'm going to add my caption, do all the normal stuff. But right where it says tag people at the top up here, I'm going to click this. And you're going to see something that says invite collaborator. Now, again, this means it's going to show up on their feed. So what I'm going to do is click invite collaborator. And I'm going to search. Let's say I want to collaborate with John Smith, a random person. I could click his name here. You'll see he'll pop up. And then from there, it'll tag him. I'll click done. And then I will finish setting up the post, do the rest of the items here. And when I click share, it will invite him to be a collaborator. He'll have to accept it, and then it will show on both of our feeds, and you'll be able to see those combined analytics if you both have those settings set. But that's how you can use this collaborations feature on Instagram.